welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some banana bread. But first, before we get into this video, this weekend my husband and I just celebrated our 12-year marriage. So happy anniversary, babes. Love you. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so here are the ingredients. I have softened butter, which is Kerrygold butter. I have 2 eggs, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of raisins, a cup of chopped nuts, and 3 bananas, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and vanilla extract, and milk. So what and flour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. So let's get right into it. First things first is we need to add the butter into the mixer. Mix it very gentle with the white sugar. And this should be good. Set that aside, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the baking pan to the side as well. So let's add the sugar in. Okay, so I have the softened butter and the sugar in there. The exact recipe with the measurements, like I said, is gonna be down below in the description. This is something that my husband got me for our anniversary. This is one of my gifts. Isn't she beautiful like me? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the butter's in there, the white sugar is in there. We're gonna go ahead and stir it up. Okay, so then you wanna add your brown sugar. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the eggs. I have 2 eggs here. So we're gonna go ahead and add the eggs into the mix. Give it a stir. So while that's stirring, what are you guys doing for Christmas? Are you guys having like any large gatherings? Or is it going to be just you and your family, your immediate family? Let me know what you guys doing. It's just going to be me and my family. And I'm going to get a karaoke machine and we're going to have some fun, okay? Let me know in the comments below, what are you guys doing for Christmas? So I'm going to go ahead and add some milk. Just a little bit of milk. Okay guys, so our wet ingredients is done. So now on to the dry ingredients, which I have all-purpose flour. Then I'm gonna add some baking powder to it. I added about a teaspoon of baking powder. Like I said, the exact measurements is gonna be below. Some salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Some cinnamon. I'm gonna include the vanilla extract into the wet ingredients. Start this one time. So I have have the dry ingredients, which is the cinnamon, salt, baking powder in there. Then here's the flour. I did not add any baking soda. Some people put baking soda. I did not put it in here. So we're just gonna mix it up. What are some of the things that you guys are baking for Christmas? Let me know. Let me know some of your recipes so I can try them. I would like to try your recipes as well. Let me know. Let me know some of the things, your favorite dishes that you normally bake for the holidays. So that way I can try it for my family and I can let you know if I enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below, okay? What are some of your favorite dishes that you normally bake during the holiday season? Okay, so here's the dry ingredients. We're gonna set that to the side. And then we're gonna go ahead and mash up the 3 ripe bananas. Okay, so we have the 3 bananas here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use a fork and just mash it up. Mash it up, which is pretty easy. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that really quick. And guys, this is a very simple recipe and easy to make. You don't have to be a professional at baking. I'm definitely not a professional, but I try to make different things for my family. Okay guys, so here's the banana. It's mashed, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it in here. And then I'm gonna add the dry ingredients to that as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and give it a stir, okay? Let's raise this back up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the walnuts in here. Chopped and toasted walnuts. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add like a half a cup of raisins. And we're gonna gently mix it in. So I'm gonna stop about it right here with mixing it. So what I'm gonna do is use a spatula and actually slowly mix it in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish mixing the ingredients with the spatula. Let me get some of this off. So I'm gonna gently mix it in. You want to be gentle when you're mixing everything together. You don't want to be too rough with it. Just be very gentle. Just use a spatula and just gently mix it. And I already have my pan sprayed with butter. And this is how it's supposed to look, guys. This is very, very easy to make. And let me know in the comments below if you like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the pan. All you have to do is lift it up and shake it a little bit for it to even out. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, preheat the oven for 350, and it's gonna go in the oven for about 60 minutes. this is the final look of it. Don't that look delicious? Don't forget to let me know if you tried my recipe. Merry Christmas to you in advance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Bye.